Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd take you around with me today to do some flower shopping and later some flower arrangements. I am going to take you to one of my favorite flower shops in the Viktualienmarkt. That is a historical farmers market in the heart of Munich that has existed since 1807. It's open every day except Sunday and holidays. Then we're going to go to Marienplatz at the Rathaus. A Rathaus is the traditional governing or government house of any German city or the region, and that is where my second favorite shop is. But before we get started, we have to do breakfast at the Victorian House, which is right across the street from the Viktualienmarkt. The best eggs Benedict and tea in town. Let's get started. vase in the bathroom because it's that's the one that broke into many pieces when it was delivered to me and glued it back together, so I can't put any water in it. So.
guys, when I was editing, I realized I never closed out this video. After I did all my arrangements, I took the time to do some after shots for my final bedroom makeover video, and that video is already up if you want to see it. But then shortly after that, the news broke that Queen Elizabeth II had passed. So I got a little distracted. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed some of the sights of Munich and some of my flower arrangements. You guys, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bells, gives me a thumbs up or maybe a thumbs down, what you prefer. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of my flower arrangement. And as always, yours truly, Heart Macon.